What if you knew all there is to know about the UK student visa and PSW updates on the 2024 immigration rules? Would that transform your journey as an international student? Welcome. You're about to embark on a journey through the intricate maze of UK immigration rules. In the heart of this puzzle, we'll find the post-study work visa, or the PSW, a vital piece to the puzzle for any international student planning to study in the UK. This year, 2024, brings a fresh wave of updates to these rules, with potential implications that could be significant for your future. Whether you're a student preparing for your studies or already in the UK navigating your next steps, these changes could hold the key to your future. It's not just about understanding the rules, it's about understanding how they apply to you. Understanding these changes could be the key to unlocking your future in the UK, so stick around to find out more. The year 2024 brought about significant changes in the UK's immigration rules. But who does it really affect? Let's dive right in. The UK government, in a bid to attract global talent and maintain a robust economy, has revised its immigration policies. A key change is the update to the post-study work visa, or PSW, which allows international students to stay and work in the UK after their studies are completed. So why did the rules change? Well, it's simple. The UK, like many countries, is keen on retaining a pool of skilled individuals who can contribute to its economy. By giving international students a chance to work after their studies, the UK is essentially creating a pathway for them to become part of its workforce. Now, who will these changes affect? Primarily international students who plan to study in the UK. The new rules also impact workers, especially those seeking to switch from a student visa to a work visa. Dependents of these students and workers could be affected too, depending on their circumstances. However, not all immigrants will be impacted by these changes. For instance, those who are already permanent residents or those on specific categories of visas may not see much difference. But here's the exciting part. These changes can be turned to your advantage. If you're an international student, this gives you a chance to gain work experience in the UK after your studies. For workers, it's an opportunity to switch from a student visa to a work visa, thereby opening doors to long-term employment. And for dependents, it could potentially mean a smoother transition process. Remember, these changes are not designed to make life difficult. Rather, they are intended to streamline processes, make the UK more attractive to international talent, and ultimately, strengthen its economy. So, whether you're a student, a worker, a dependent, or an immigrant, understanding these changes is crucial. It can help you navigate the maze of immigration rules and plan your journey better. Knowledge is power, and knowing these changes puts you in a position to plan your journey better. Now that we know what's changed, let's explore the new criteria for the PSW and find out who's eligible. The post-study work visa, or PSW, is a crucial pathway for international students who wish to remain in the UK after their studies. The new rules for 2024 have made some adjustments to who can apply. Essentially, if you have successfully completed a degree at undergraduate level or above at a UK higher education institution, you're in the running. But what about part-time work? Good news, the PSW permits both full-time and part-time employment. Wondering about bringing dependents? Dependents can indeed accompany PSW visa holders provided they meet certain requirements. So whether you're a recent graduate looking to start your career, or a student working part-time, the PSW could be your ticket to extending your stay in the UK. Understanding these eligibility criteria is the first step to planning your future in the UK. Armed with this information, you are now better equipped to navigate the UK's immigration landscape. We've journeyed through the maze of immigration rules, deciphered the 2024 changes, and explored who will be affected. We've delved into the new criteria for post-study work rights, or PSW, and discussed who is eligible and who isn't. We've also touched on whether you can work part-time or bring dependents under these new rules. Use this knowledge to your advantage. Stay informed, stay prepared, and turn these changes into opportunities. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of immigration, it can make all the difference. And now, we'd like to ask for your support. If you found our insights valuable and enlightening, we'd greatly appreciate your support. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and spread the word by sharing with your loved ones. Until next time, stay curious and stay tuned.